Hello friends, for your machine, as we can see the lamination, when you do lamination, it goes really slowly. So please open the machine from the back, okay? And you see this one, you open. 把它拉起来，可以帮我把这个拉起来。Open it, pull it, and then you just go to the positive, okay? We just add a little bit like this, a little bit. Okay, that's enough, okay? If you find it's going better, then you can press and lock, okay? Please try. The problem is here, okay? The air, this is the air we are going inside the airbag. So yours is going inside very slowly. So you open a little bit. So the air, when you do lamination, the air will go more faster to the airbag.